Yeah. Vacation time. And hotel time. Just kidding. I actually do have vlog footage.
Why are we still here?
They're trapping dogs. No, dogs, I'll save you. I'll save you.
All of these buildings look like buildings from Fortnite. The only thing that's not in Fortnite is that light bulb. But you know what? I'm pretty sure they're gonna add it in there.
Compare this thing to this thing. Look like I was having a demon. Guys, CPMs are low. I think I might have to steal this. Bro, CPMs are low. And they even have the flashy stuff. You know, it's $2. So guys, I might have to buy it for you guys, right? If you guys could just support me on my Patreon. Unboxing with Noobo! I just want to point out that I paid $2 for this. Alright, so hopefully this is worth $2 of mine. Oh my god, what is this? It's an elephant ring. $2 for— Wait. The seller said that these things would glow. Alright, so let's see if there's light.
Day 2.
Guys, and out of all places, when I go to vacation, you already know I gotta go to McDonald's.
CPMs are low, you know, $1 for one cafe, bro. I can't get that. But I think I know what to do. Some free water. And since the water fountain doesn't work, I think I gotta go last solution.
Oh, he's stealing!
Just found these sesame vintage packs. That's $2, and I'm gonna unbox this straight at the hotel. Nah. Tell me one time when it's bigger than Yoda. Guys, don't drink, but when you're 5 playing bowling, you're gonna have to drink. Look at that, I have to drink. When you play bowling, do you ever wonder where the hole goes? No. And they even have a movie going on at the bowling. Watch, I'm gonna get the strike.
No.
I know why I lose. Nah, but I swear that game was rigged. Literally in Canada, look how much snow. I mean, for Canada, it's not that much. Another vlog day. Another unboxing.
They ask you how you are.
Alright, so we've got these limited, well, it's old cards, but as you can see, it's $2. I would like to remind you that this was $2, so we're gonna see which one's better, you know? So let's just put this one to the side right here.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
And we'll open it, okay? No, hold on. Let's do some clean opening.
Montage.
So we've got these cards over here, and you know what? I'm not gonna lie, they look pretty clean. And they've even got cool little words I can't read since I'm 5, so. Is our voice gonna be on this?
Nope. Day 3.
Third day of Quebec, and we finally have sunny weather. The last 2 days it was raining and snowing. And that's the thing that's gonna make my phone drop! Yeah! Now that's fresh water.
It's not fresh water.
Nani?
Those are where the polar bears live.
How are people supposed to write graffiti there?
How did they not die? That's April, and we still have that. So we're in this museum, right?
Boring.
I just went here because I saw the play button. Okay, what's the point of even them putting glass if you're gonna put it half like this? I can just touch it. What's the point of putting glass here? Okay, now I'm staying here now.
Day 4.
Guys, today's a sad day. We're leaving. I had a lot of memories in here. Time we almost got kicked out because I tried to steal pop, and like the time that I was filming and I wasn't supposed to film. Yeah, it's the end of the vlog. So I wonder if I could do those cool like endings, you know, that vloggers do. I could do that where I just hit the camera